Key Nation, what is going on, man? It's your boy Manuel Keen, and today you see it in the title. We are going to explore how to find the key to a song, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Fade that like button, cause we a movement, boy. Let's get it. Key Nation, what is going on, man? We are going to be going over how to find the key to any song on Any Daw, as you can see in the title, man. Now, I know what you guys are probably thinking. Keen is going to show us exactly how to find the key of a song, and we don't have to pay for nothing, okay? I wish that was the case because if that was, I would definitely show you guys. But till this day, and I've been engineering for a cool 4 to 5 years now. I am Cap. I've been engineering for a cool probably 7 to 8 years now, and I till this day have not found out how to find the key of a song without paying for a plugin. So if you guys know any of those ways, please comment down below. I genuinely mean this because I know there's a plugin on Logic called Tuner, but it doesn't give you the availability to choose of whether or not it's major or minor. So if any of y'all know that, please comment down below and let me know. I will be more than happy to see that information so that I can show you guys. You feel me? So anyways, man, let's go ahead and look at the screen. Boom. You feel me? This is a song that I have not released. It's called Hakuna Matata. It's with the homie June. He doesn't watch this channel, so I would say, you know, shout out, but he don't watch this. So anyways, it's called Hakuna Matata. It's the instrumental. It's actually a very popular instrumental if you guys have heard it on YouTube. And so we're just gonna go ahead and play it. Firstly, I'm going to give you guys I guess they both around the same price, so I don't want to say more expensive, but I will give you guys the first option to use in terms of tuning this. Now, I do not have it on here, okay? I'm not even gonna cap and act like I do because I don't. But we will bring this up, and I am not sponsored by Auto-Tune, man. I wish I was, but I'm not. If y'all, you feel me? Y'all see this channel, it's going up low key. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can go ahead, throw me a little something, something. But this is called Auto Key, man. It's really, really simple. It's actually the easier way to find the key. All you got to do is just apply it to the instrumental, download it, right? And then what you would do is you would apply it to the instrumental, go to the track where the instrumental's at, and apply it. And then you'll play it, and it'll show you the exact key that the song is in, man. It's called Auto Key. It is for $49, okay? With tax, maybe 50, somewhere around there. That's Auto Key, okay? Plain and simple, very easy. Use it. It's always good to invest in yourself, man. Don't act like you can't invest in yourself. You feel me? So boom, and y'all see right here, I got Tuner on here because I figured, you know, maybe I could show y'all how to do this without, you know, without having to use these paid options. But like I said, I literally couldn't figure it out. So anyways, we'll take this off right now. I will show you guys how I find the key to the song, and I've had this plugin now. I don't want to say a plugin. This, I guess, is somewhat of a software because I do not apply it to the plugin bracket here. But what I do is I go to mixed in key. I've had this for a long time now. It's literally 7, right? This is mixed in key 7, and they're up to like 10 now. So you know, I've literally been doing this for a while now. So why would I upgrade when you know, I got it right here. You feel me? Like, no point in going to mixed in key 10. So this is what I'll do, man. And I haven't even explained what I'm doing. Hold on. So here, you go up to add files. You feel me? You go up to add files, and this is called Hakuna Matata, or you would go to whatever the instrumental is called. Type in the search bar and type in whatever that instrumental is called. In this case, it's Hakuna Matata. So we will type that in. And what it's going to do is it's going to find the key for me, just that fast. Key result 4A. So in order to find 4A, right, we see that this is 4A. We have to go to read tutorial. It's a little bit of a process. We got to go to read tutorial and see that the key is in 4A. It is in F minor right here. So what we would do is we would go to back to your session and go to Auto-Tune, right? Because that's what we need in order to sound great. And we would switch the key to F minor, just like that. You feel me? and boom, and the key is already in F minor because I had it in there already. But that is essentially what you would do in order to find the key to the song, man. I'm gonna make this tutorial short and sweet. It's very, very simple. As I said before, if you guys know exactly how to find the key to a song using Tuner, which is, I'll go to it right now, which is this plugin right here. If you guys know how to find the key to the song using Tuner and know how to decipher between F major and F minor or the major and minor scale, please let me know. I would be so happy to know that. You know what I'm saying? So that I could then tell everybody else about that. You feel me? So that is it, man. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'm going to see y'all in the next video, fam. Gang.